Hey, good afternoon and welcome back to the adventure. Today's Saturday and I am running errands on the e-bike. I wanted to see how long the battery would last running 3 or 4 errands downtown and back. Started with a full battery, and I'll keep you up to date on where we are and how long we've traveled and what the battery looks like as we go on an adventure on the Aventon. Okay, so I'm trying to conserve as much battery as I can on this trip since it's going to be longer than just, to our normal Walmart back, which is like 5 miles. I tried to ride a little bit on one, and it's rideable, but as hot as it is, I'm trying to build a little bit of speed just to keep me cool. So I'm on 2. But I'm trying to maintain 0 on the downhills. Hopefully that'll conserve more battery as well. I think the battery I have is, it's only 280 miles on the bike, but the battery doesn't seem to last as long as, of course, it did when we first bought them. And my experience is when this battery gets to about 17%, it doesn't like to pull hills. Maybe that's because I had a lot more weight on it. We'll see. Okay, in the trail, heck of a lot cooler through here. Okay, so we're right at 5 miles into it, and the battery reads 95%. So that's about a 4% battery burn in the 5 miles. Not too bad. Okay, first return complete at Whole Foods. Now I'm off to the UPS store to return the second piece. Battery at 7.3 miles is 93%, so about 6% battery used. Oh man, it's meant to go the other way. Look at me, what is TV? Cool. That's very cool. That's a very cool Subaru. River looks a little down today. Other than their baby ducks. At least that's what it looked like to me. Maybe not. Maybe it's the bottom of the river. A little bit of a hill there. You could tell the battery was working. We'll check it when we get to the top of the other hill. Have to kind of be careful in that area. There's a lot of things going on. Cars coming to your rear, cars coming to the front, cars coming to the right. Okay, so the trail goes back that way, but it takes you across the road on the wrong side of the road. And so I'm gonna go and do the right thing and go down the correct side of the road. After this train leaves, of course. Okay, we're rolling again. There's a good 2 lanes there. I think they could have got over a little bit. pretty cool pond back there. I like this house. Got all kind of views. Okay, we bought some hills over on this side of the neighborhood, so that's gonna wear on the battery. As long as I got 50% to get back, I guess I'm okay. 50% here, 50% back. Everything should be okay. Okay, second errand complete. 11 miles, 80% battery. Not too bad. With the amount of hills that I had to go up, I'll take it. One of the things I hate to do is ride against traffic. But the best way to get back down through here, unfortunately, is against traffic to get back to where I need to go without having to get it tied up into a lot of traffic. We'll turn in here at Walmart. Matter of fact, we're gonna have to cross over and we'll get over off onto the exit side of things. Just not what I like to do. You would think that the city, just because of the troubling down here, that they would make that road have a 2-lane bike access on it. And I know you'd be against traffic, but you'd be on a protected lane. Okay, back to the trail. Take a real quick stop here, check battery. Battery is at 68%, 14.2 miles. I guess that's not too bad. I got about 8 miles to go until I get back to the house. Did I mention today is a beautiful day to be out on the bike? It's a little warm, but man, I really do like this time of year. Sun's out, heat comes up. This is my favorite time of the seasons. Okay, back on the trail. Battery reads, I don't know why it's crooked like that. My handlebar is straight. The battery reads 58%, 58%, and about 5 miles to go. Okay, coming out of the park, 18.5 miles. Battery setting at 51%, and about 2.5 miles to go. .8 miles on the clock, and we got 39% battery left. So not too bad. I stayed pretty much in level 2 the whole way. Tried to go to level 0, on the flats, especially on the downhills, just hopefully conserving a little bit of battery. But you really did use level 2 probably 95% of my time that I was out. A good bit of hills in some of the areas that we were in. I hit level 3 twice, once to get around some people on the road just because I didn't want to ride behind them, and then once by accident when I was going from level 0, I went to level 3 for just a few seconds. All in all though, battery lasted pretty long for that, almost 22 miles.